This video will show you how to make new and old style Go-Ped pole and FTG hinges interchangeable with one another. In the event you have an old style FTG hinge and want to adapt it to a new style pole, or vice versa. In order to make an old style FTG work with a new style pole, you will just need two spacers that are a ½ inch wide, with a 1/4 inch inner diameter by roughly 7.5 millimeters long, along with a precision 1/4 inch wide pin that is roughly 29 millimeters long. Now, you just install both of the ½ inch spacers into the FTG. At this point, you should be able to fit the pin all the way through the FTG. Once everything fits, you can now assemble the pole to the FTG. Now question, how do you get the new style FTGs to work with an old style ½ inch pole fitting? The process is even easier. Like before, all you need is a ½ inch wide with a 1/4 inch hole spacer by only a ½ inch long, and you can easily adapt an older T-bar pole to a new style FTG in the event of it not being practical to have to get all new matching components.